Greetings and a warm welcome. We are thrilled to announce the recent release of version 1.1 of CET.SteelConnDesign. With this version, it is now possible to design beam-to-column moment connections. However, it is important to note that this version only supports flange plate for beam-to-column flange moment connections. Other types of connections, such as moment flange angle, will be included in future updates. In this tutorial, we will showcase how to use CET.SteelConnDesign with Tekla to design a moment connection. If you're interested in obtaining and configuring our software to work with Tekla, please visit our channel. For any further inquiries or questions, feel free to email us at civiliangrtools@gmail.com. Let's assume that the user has installed CET.SteelConnDesign 1.1 on their computer and created a column named C1 and a beam named B1 in Tekla. It is important to ensure that the member names are unique, as our system relies on these names to identify and differentiate connections. To start the connection design process, please launch our software after Tekla. In the left panel, users can choose from various options, such as selecting the applicable design codes. On the right panel, please ensure that the model provider is set to Tekla. After clicking on the Scan Model button, our system will retrieve member information from Tekla, and you will be able to see B1 and C1 in the member list. Clicking the Create Connection button will create a B1_C1 connection. Now, let us go to the Connection Design tab and click the Design Connection button. After design, a single plate connection with number 146 appears in Tekla model. If we change the moment to be 500 kipinch, after design we will see a moment connection, 134, has been created with 2 rows of bolts. If we modify the moment to 1500 kipinch, our system will design a thicker flange plate with 4 bolt rows. It's also possible to undo the operation to revert the flange plate to its previous state. We'll update the moment to 1000 kipinch for later reference, and as a result, the flange connection will appear in the Design Part drop-down list. When we choose the flange plate connection, we also notice that many fields are filled with cyan-colored values, which are the design results, not the user inputs. A great advantage of our system is that we accept empty inputs and calculate the optimal values for the users. There's a new picture of the flange plate on the left panel that clarifies the purpose of certain input fields. We can adjust the gauge value to 4 inches based on the image, which will cause the flange plate to widen after the design process. If we adjust the distance from bolt row to plate face as well as the edge distance parallel to the load to 2 inches, the flange plate length will increase. Let's create some slotted holes. First, we delete bolt diameter and let our system calculate the values. Then, we change the hole type to long slotted parallel to load and design the connection as slip critical. Afterward, when we open the property dialog of the moment connection in Tekla, we will see that the slotted hole dimensions have been updated. Additionally, the summary table has been revised to include the current flange plate connection. The table is divided into 4 sections: beam web connection, beam flange, and beam flange connection. Any modifications made to the input fields will result in corresponding changes to the values displayed in the summary. By clicking the Show Report button, users are able to access a comprehensive calculation detail report. This file contains numerous details, including easy-to-read equations in LaTeX format. Users have the option to print the report as a PDF file for future reference. The combination of CET.SteelConnDesign and Tekla software offers numerous benefits. Tekla is highly effective in modeling and detailing, while our software streamlines connection design through its robust math engine, requiring less user input. Additionally, our program generates professional caliber calculations and user-friendly design reports. Together, these tools can significantly enhance productivity. That concludes today's presentation. If you have any further inquiries, please do not hesitate to contact us via email at civiliangrtools@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.